Today I'm here in Corio, a suburb of Geelong, Victoria, at the house of Mark and Tash. Now I got an email from some friends of these guys saying they truly are some of the most deserving people of a bathroom renovation. Mark and Tash dedicate their lives to helping out underprivileged kids, so what better way can we thank them than to go in and give them a fresh bathroom renovation. Let's go check it out. Oh my God.
We want to thank High Grove Bathrooms, DVine for organising everything for our bathroom. It's amazing. We're so grateful that we've been able to have this experience.
Wow, how good is that? What a great renovation of a bathroom for a really lovely family. Mark and Tash are absolutely stoked and so are the kids. A big thanks, of course, goes out to High Grove Bathrooms